I'll just pull next to me. I don't have to get up that much gas. I got a little bit to give.
I'm full.
Are you? Well, you can top off if we're gonna be on the highway for a little bit.
Oh, alright.
I'm pretty close to full too, but I'm still gonna top off. I keep having flashes lately to what I assume might be how I die, or like flashes of like my death.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
Kind of dark, but it's been fun.
kinda,
A little bit of dream edge going on.
I guess.
Little freaky. I'm just I don't know, I've been getting a bad feeling this week. The weather's been like too nice. I've been riding a lot. By the way, the fan it just kicked on this thing and it's cooking my balls. I made a video not too long ago talking about it, like riding psychosis. Like when you ride so much, you kind of like, because like the more you ride, the higher chances you have of crashing.
Sure.
And so I've just been like, I've been riding every single day for hours at a time. It's like, I guess maybe that's like my main concern is like, what if something happens? So now it's like affecting my dreams and such. It's weird. Weird how that works.
No, I understand your point.
Boop. Alright. Well, on that note, you ready to go rip some highways? Hold on, I'm catching up. Things slow to start.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm right there with you.
Oh, there's another cop. Bro!
Yeah, no, they're f***ing everywhere here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Just waiting for us.
Man, I haven't been down here in a minute.
I have no idea where we are. Sometimes I just gotta get out of my system. Time to figure out where we are. And to possibly fill up on gas.
I mean, we could stay on this and, we could get to Akron if you want to go to downtown Akron.
No, we can start swinging around. Take the long way home a bit.
Oh, dude, look at my seat. You have the same on your tail from that concrete. Oh, dude, your shit's covered.
That's
Oh,
great.
yeah. Oh, dude, it's not good. Have to clean that.
Is it,
Look under both of our tails. Look, it's a literal line.
I've gotten worse on my bikes before.
So look like under.
Yeah, it's fine. Not the end of the world. More worried about the paint on the front, if anything, but
Oh,
yeah,
you
it's fine.
covered me.
Well, could take a hose to it or something tomorrow.
You take a what?
A hose to it or something tomorrow.
Oh.
Maybe stop at my parents' house on the way home. Actually, I might do that. I might just like take it to my parents' house, give it a quick spray down with a hose. Here, I'm gonna film a little video real quick if you don't mind. So me and Bennett just realized the absolute worst thing about riding, and that is getting your bike covered in garbage left by construction workers on the middle of the road. I'm gonna swing around and show you guys this real quick. I just gotta really get this into the light here. What's going on?
There's a fire.
Oh, thank you, brother. Oh, yeah. I just got her completely covered in concrete dust, but...
That is sick.
What
is this thing? How many cc's?
Oh, this is a 1103, I think.
Holy shit.
I believe.
What year is it?
Oh, it's a 24. I just got it over the winter.
Really? How long you guys been riding for?
5 years. This is technically your first season, right?
My parents are just scared. They won't let me get one.
Why not?
Because they know I'm crazy.
What does their opinion matter?
I literally just crashed my car the other day.
Oh, word?
Yeah, I crashed 110. Yeah, I crashed going 110. So do on a bike, I think I would die.
That'll be fine. It's a lot more stable on a motorcycle, so.
That's what I tell them.
It's surprisingly more stable. I guess with less wheels, there's like less room for instability, I guess, but
100%.
I guess it depends on the bike that you ride, but on something like this, bro, it feels like 180 feels like nothing.
Really?
Yeah.
How fast you got on it?
The speedometer blinks out at 186. So I don't know.
Okay, so
Call it like 200.
Yeah, probably around 200.
That one, how many cc's down?
160. It's just a baby.
Dude, I need to get one of these.
You haven't ridden before, have you?
Never in my life.
You definitely want to start on something
No, yeah.
a little bit smaller.
Yeah. I'm not getting a
something cheaper
Ducati.
and smaller.
My first time, I'm not getting a Ducati, you know?
Yeah. Plus, then you got to worry about stuff like this, which is like great, you know?
Is the Force carbon stock?
No,
I was about to say.
It's all personal taste.
It looks really nice.
Thank you, brother.
That's very clean.
Appreciate you.
You guys have a safe night, though.
You too. Hey, man.
Be safe.
You as well.
What were you talking about? This is why you don't buy an expensive bike, is because you'd be riding through random construction events and get covered in dirt. Like, sucks. I mean, it's something that probably can't be removed with a little bit of water, but it's still like, wow, I have to... Let me show you guys a little bit closer. Look at all that. Oh, it's just everywhere on the tail. And this is why I am pretty much always an advocate for buying as cheap of a bike as possible, riding it to your heart's content, because you have money to afford it, money to afford insurance, money to afford gas, and you don't have to worry about stupid stuff like this. I make the mistakes so you don't have to, so make sure you do as I say, not as I do.
2 videos out of that.
Yeah, honestly. That was pretty sick. I'll take that. I mean, I was recording anyway, but what a perfect timing.
I know, I was like, you cannot plan this shit.
It's gonna look so fake.
I know, it just comes out around, whatchamacallit. the corner there.
Whoa, no, sick bike. What is that? Is that a Ducati? Oh my god, it literally sounds so scripted.
I know.
I couldn't make up a better video. Do you mind grabbing my gloves for me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's find out the nearest way to get out of here.
Or you want to head back towards which way? Hey, I'm gonna go take a pee. Hold on.
Yeah, go do that.
I don't want to pee my pants. You guys have a bathroom in here or no? No. Nah, you're good. Fuck, I'll just pee my pants, I guess.
I don't think they're home right now, so should be alright.
Ooh, no parents.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.